Once more, welcome back in my YouTube channel Learn with Sherin Kazi. This is Tell Me More, Part B for Senior KG Children General Knowledge and Conversation Book. Lesson number 3, Cries of Animals and Birds. Cow, moose, cat, meows. Mouse, squeaks, pig, grunts, duck, quacks, monkey, chatters, owl, hoots, cock, crows, dog, barks, horse, sneeze. Goat, bleats, crow, cows, hen, clucks, elephant, trumpets, tiger, growls, parrot, talks, snake, hisses, lion, roars. Some questions for conversation. Which bird can repeat the speech? Parrot can repeat the speech. Which bird can repeat the speech? Parrot can repeat the speech. What sound does the goat make? The goat bleats. What sound does the goat make? The goat bleats. When does a dog bark? The dog barks when it sees strangers. When does a dog barks? The dog barks when it sees strangers. Cries of animals and birds. Animals और birds की आवाज कैसी होती है? Cow, moose, cat, mews, mouse, squeaks, pig, grunts, duck, quacks, monkey, chatters, owl, hoots, cock, crows, dog, barks, horse, sneezes, goat, bleats, crow, cows, hen, clucks, elephant, trumpets, tiger, growls, parrot, talks, snake, hisses, lion, roars. So animals use to make the sounds like this. Animals की आवाज ऐसी होती है. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Sherin Kazi.